Well, today you were on our farmer panel discussion. Have you been on farmer panels before, or have you gone out to see them?
I have been on a couple
Yeah.
panels.
Do you think that that's like a really effective way to reach out to your farming community? Do you learn things by being on the panel?
Yeah, first of all, I have to congratulate you guys in such extent because you guys do a good job. You're so far ahead of the curve. It's unbelievable because I see a lot of things. Yeah, I've always enjoyed it because you're talking to somebody that does it or has done it, and I think sometimes I've had people say, "Gosh, I went there and it gave me some confidence to go ahead and try some things, and maybe they'll talk to you afterwards or whatever." So, yeah, I think that farmer to farmer connection is very helpful or helpful. That always has bothered me. The people that really need to be here
Aren't here.
aren't here, and and that's our fault as farmers. I don't know how you draw them in. Fertilizer.
There you go.
I've got a friend that's been in agriculture all his life. Every meeting we go, sometimes we'll go together, and he'll say, "Gosh," he'll look around and say, "All these guys, they already get it,
Yeah.
but the ones that don't get it aren't." And I wish I had any answer. You do a great job. It's hands-on most of the time. You have people that are very, very pertinent. And if we could just reach out and get more people, and I don't know how you do that.